Are you mechanically declined and want to become mechanically inclined? What tools do you need and how do you use them? Having a tool doesn't make you mechanically inclined, but without tools, it's hard to get anything done. In previous videos, we showed basics of wrenches, plumbing tools, and hammers. In this video, we'll talk about the basics of using manual screwdrivers. We've already done a video on types of screwdrivers, but this one is about how to use them and how not to use them. But before we begin, this is what some think when describing screwdrivers.
But I do not know what a screwdriver is. Can you tell me?
Well, yes. Yes, I can. It is a device.
Go slow. I'm new at this.
Oh, okay. Now, have you ever seen a stick?
Yes, once.
Okay. Imagine a stick that has a handle.
Ooh.
Now, what if the stick had a flat end and a handle at the other end?
Like a shovel.
Exactly. And then you have the sharpened end.
Sharpened
right?
end.
Now, what if you wanted to, like, put two pieces of wood together? Two pieces of stick.
No!
Yeah.
Stick mates?
Yeah, you could kind of get a little, and you tighten it in.
With what?
With the screwdriver and another piece of stick.
Oh,
a smaller
two pieces of stick?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
And then you put the two pieces of bigger sticks together with the one tiny little stick.
So like big sticks, little sticks.
Right.
And I noticed your hand is twisting. Why is it twisting?
Well, because you have to do this to the stick. The small stick, put it in the two bigger sticks.
Oh, because it's called a screwdriver. Got it.
As you can see, there are many thoughts on what a screwdriver is, and this is why so many don't use them correctly. So, how should you use a screwdriver? Well, you start by choosing the right one. This is not a screwdriver. This is not a screwdriver. This is not a screwdriver. Now, those may work to turn a screw, but they don't fit the screw properly. They have no handle that will give a good grip, and they won't allow you to put the correct torque on the fastener. This is a screwdriver. It has a good fit into the screw. It has a handle that lets you hold the tool properly, and it will allow you to apply the right amount of torque to the fastener. It's also the right type of screwdriver, as in standard or slotted versus a Phillips, versus a Torx, versus a square drive, versus whatever, etc., etc., etc. There are so many different types of screwdriver tips that you really have to choose properly. The proper way to use a screwdriver requires space for the screwdriver, your hand, and the screw. For tight spots, there are stubby screwdrivers, angled screwdrivers, and many more that can work in tight locations. The screwdriver must be aligned with the screw. This way, it can fully engage the contact point of the screw. It's less likely to twist out of the screw this way. And quite frankly, this is the biggest mistake that the mechanically declined make. When the screwdriver isn't aligned with the screw, you can't apply any pressure to the screwdriver, or it will just simply push the screw to the side and everything comes apart. Usually, blood and pain and harsh words occur at the same time. When you can't apply pressure to the screwdriver, it can also round out the screw slots and make it harder to apply torque to the screw. The screwdriver must be the right size as well. Too small, and you won't be able to apply as much torque. Too large, and it just won't fit into the slots. Either way, the chance to damage the screw increases when the screwdriver isn't the right size. Finally, if you want to keep the screwdriver for the intended use, driving in screws, don't use it as a pry bar, as a punch, as a chisel, or even a scraper. Old, worn-out screwdrivers can be repurposed for these things, but they won't be the best and won't be able to be used as a screwdriver anymore. If this video has given you more insight into using a screwdriver, check out our other videos in this series and share them with friends. Our goal with this series of videos is to help the mechanically declined to become more mechanically inclined with basic knowledge and using tools correctly.
Thanks for watching our video. If you like what you see, press the like button below and subscribe. And also check out our other videos.